in today's video I will be showing you how to find your profile section on Kik easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this Kik application, and now as you see here, this is the home page. So as you see here, we find this icon, click on it. So as you see here, we find the account. Here we have the channel. So this is your profile section, so you can manage it as you like. So that's it. That's how to find the profile section on Kik easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.